Well, hello, this is me, and to be honest, this is just me trying to explain to anyone out there what it feels like to be a child who's never played any instruments in his life. And out of that frustration and probably lack of understanding, now finally he can do whatever he wants on a computer. I never played a trombone or a saxo in my life, and I don't think I could. But I can cheat it and get it out of the computer and play whatever I want. Finally, I can do whatever I want. I love this kind of stuff. I think I'm studying everything from Hans Zimmer, to be honest. I'm studying the whole electro with all classical trombones. Studying everything, but it's fun to me. Yeah. Here we go.